Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. I just want to be completely honest with you. Most people are out here losing thousands of dollars every single month from trading meme coins, while I am on the other side making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month by actually creating them. The difference is simple. Traders fund the devs like me. I am the dev, and in this video I am showing you my complete strategy on how I create viral coins to cash out later on and make thousands of dollars. I will be doing a real live example to show you how it's done, and I will be exposing the entire strategy right now. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I have like no reason at all to sell you anything, not even a paid group, nothing, and that's exactly why people like to watch my videos. But anyways, bro, if you want to be profitable, watch this video. Trust me, keep watching. Now here's why trading meme coins is a losing game in the long run. You guys need to realize that these meme coins have no value at all. All they do is they pump, right? Everyone is happy, but the next day or on the same day it goes to zero and everyone is crying. And that's exactly why, for this exact reason, I hate trading, because I used to buy these coins early just to end up getting dumped on, and I round tripped everything. So now I became a dev, I joined the dark side. Now I create these coins for completely free. I let people buy my coin and then I cash out and I sell my supply, and then I move on to the next coin, because yes, it is repeatable. I average around 30 to 100 coins every single month, and I make 6 figures a month consistently. Now I cannot promise anything for you, but I can show you my strategy for free in this video. I do not sell a course, I don't need to. So let's get straight into the video, bro. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This entire video is for educational purposes only, so do your own research. Let's go. Cap. Now the first step is to know where to launch your meme coins on, because there is a lot of confusion around this question, and let me tell you what I personally do. I launch my coins on Radium instead of Pump.Fun. The reason why is because every single coin on Pump.Fun just goes to zero. These coins, they have no value, they get no buyers, and they dry out. Look at this, the same coin got launched like 20 times. So what's the point of launching your coins here if no one is going to buy it? You are wasting your time. Instead, I launch on Radium. Like I said, I launch in the migrate section, and usually, bro, all these coins in the migrate section gets a bunch of buyers or a bunch of attention. Look at this, it's pumping. So for that reason, I launch on Radium. Now to launch a meme coin on Radium, guys, you have two different ways to do that. You could either go through Pump.Fun and try to get your coin to migrate, but your coin will need to reach a 30k market cap for it to level up to Radium, so just forget that. Instead, use launchmemes.io. By launching on launchmemes.io, your coin is going to go directly to Radium, reaching a bunch of people. That's the whole point, and that's why it's being kept. But yeah, here's exactly how to make a meme coin. You have a couple methods. The first method is obvious, and it's completely like Pump.Fun. You can make your own coin if you want to. Sometimes I do make coins custom made, but it depends of the narrative. It has to be like almost guaranteed to go viral. If not, I do not waste my time here. Or you can actually copy coins, which is my favorite method, and I recommend everyone as a beginner to actually copy coins. It's the same exact thing as vamping. Basically, every single coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun, okay? And all these coins are basically proven to get people to buy them, because that's why they're here. So we are going to be copying one of these coins back to Radium, right? Not Pump.Fun, but to Radium, to get buyers. And yeah, as simple as that. Let me show you how. So now it's time for the fun part of today's video, and that is seeing how much I can make personally right now, okay, on a copy on a meme coin launch. So yeah, first of all, click Phantom Wallet to interact with the Solana blockchain, and let's see which coin to copy. Usually I just go for a random coin because all of these coins are genuinely good. So I'm gonna go for like this one, right? Cuba takeover. Click on copy to Radium. Ignore the warning, the block. It's completely normal and safe. Every launchpad will get this warning usually, so it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox right here, click on confirm, and then the coin will be actually created. Just wait. And boom, guys, now if you go in SoScan, you have proof that it is on chain. Okay, it's actually on the Solana blockchain, so it is legit. Okay, everything I do is legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is really important to create the liquidity pool. Well, it is mandatory because like that your coin can go to Iridium. That is the whole point, right? For the amount of CTO coins for the supply, click on 90%. I do that for all my meme coins. For the dev buy though, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1.2, so anywhere in between that amount is perfect. And by the way, bro, just to make it clear, you are not losing this. You will need 0.3 so at least for the supply, like that you can make money. But if no one buys your coin, right, well, that's technically break even, so you can just get it back out at the end, so it's not a big deal. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, and then click on confirm. And then now the pool is created, and now it's actually live on chain. People can actually see our coin and buy it. So bang, okay, click on refresh and it should show up right here. Well, it will show up right here. And yeah, let's go see the chart. Go on your trading platform, it can be anything. Go find your coin, go on the chart, because it's important to see price action. In my opinion, bang, it's pumping. Yeah, we're already up so much. Yeah, let me just come back to refresh and see how much we're up. Okay, yeah, we're up 250 bucks. This coin is ripping off the bat. That's exactly why I launched on Iridium. This is proof of concept. And yeah, bro, now all you have to do is just wait for your coin to pump, let it rip, let buyers come in, let people decide if they want to buy your coin or not. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And obviously, do not be emotional, just let your coin pump, and just remember that you have nothing to lose. That's the whole point of deving. And yeah, guys, by the way, I am doing no marketing for this coin at all. I just copied the coin and I launched it. That's it. These are all random people. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, our coin is pumping a lot. I think here is a perfect place to cash out. We're at a 3k market cap within like 10-12 minutes. Let's cash out, guys. So come back to launch memes.io. Let's see how much we're up first of all. Okay, we're up $2.6 thousand, guys. That's exactly what I like. Now let's cash out. Click on the minus button. So click on the red button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the warning, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then you should be cashed out. Bang! I just cashed out on everyone, and that's exactly how I make money from diving live on camera. I'm fully transparent. And look, here's proof, because some of you guys don't believe me actually, but yeah, bro, I actually do this shit every single day. And yeah, launchmemes.io will be linked down below, guys. If you have any questions, just DM me, guys. And yeah, like and subscribe and stay consistent on those launches. And if you want to win 10 Solana like this when you're right here, just like, subscribe and comment, and join my Telegram group down below for completely free to enter.